Hi there, I'm Joe, and today on my show I'm going to be answering one of science's most unanswered questions. Does the light stay on when you close the fridge door? Well, El Scientifico Joe here is going to answer that question for you. Now, let's have a look on two sides of it. Experts in Peru have said that the light does stay on, but there's this geezer in America that says, wait a minute, the light goes off. Well, today I'm going to be settling all these random claims. And baby. So you just have to wait a minute. I like my baby bell. So I'm going to answer it. So I'm going to shut the fridge door now. Before we do all that, safety first. And away we go. Well, I hope it answers it for you.